Welcome back once again. Today the video it might not be very special for you. It's all about how the villagers used to chase away the birds by shouting, making noises with the help of bamboos, iron materials. So if you are interested, please watch till the end.
Itu 아니고 바로 itu 뱀버스 tadi tanle samolo. Nah, देखिए greens. These are the beans. गरम ना तुम तो किमान आराम रा बोइने खिदा सो चिड़िया के बिस्ना भी बनाए ना एकदम ओवरनाइट भी
इनिगा खिताइले चाहिँ त चिड़िया
ओइ ओ यत्रो थाने त ना यतिको ऊपर
Guys, there was one of my friends' field. Now I'm heading towards my field.
Yeah, shifting cultivation to China. So, pusti mano kan like चिड़िया kan like itu than ge harm gra kan in ge kina chesau gre idla lo we na isle kina obo phara lo na paru na koi na sabna kora se to pusti man sop khiding aina se and they are chasing those birds which destroy the battlefield. Those greens all like their greens can they are like newly online say like bishi young say to chiya kan kan bishi phal thake to chiya kan bishi haina do ane khiti de scare ko kan lagabo aro do bacho de like do ki sound produce kurle la ki like iron material steel ina kan ponavo ina ne rusi pandiwo ina ne khidi khola machang di boine du rusi ki thani ne khetawo ina kan kiba kore to as you can see right now than kan bishi bhalo lagna ase aro du shilam laga khas ase and sabe mokai sokai khan thuri ne ase tabi ei tile si ila pue ya yang my first kid di jago mo lagi di and after that I'm gonna show you like no no Debi mula atsa se 이래 잠포에다 뭐 찬스 기대래자 뭐 쯤도 내 안배 저 누구지야 몰라요 너무 막 기디도 봉자세 It's been so long that I haven't visited my field itu semua ki디 macam tu tadi punai nasi. So itu am bersih kas na itu am pura jira kicce sab kuru lekarne sede. Mambe panding nasi itu man. Jadi itu kita harus panding nasi itu kita. Nah. Dua nasi sejak itu. Oi! Oi! These are the birds that destroy the field, that destroy the crops. Hey! 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 Itu manuat tadi pola manuat tik kita deh. Orang itu lawan tik kita deh. So, orang nanti kena zoom lens nang wanda. Why? 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 Funny as you go lah. Jira kita do enjoy भी enjoy और थुक भी बिशी पाम नसदे jira do non stop है पानी बा starting aja kamu ya duh look at those birds, guys. These are the birds that destroying our field. So that is the reason why we are here. Not only me, all the villagers are here protecting their own field, their crops. And look at those huts. There are so many huts. Every owner has their own separate huts, and
Why?
we have an imaginary boundary which is marked by stones and trees, so that we can able to know each boundaries. And these are the chasing weapons, chasing equipment, chasing birds, making scarecrow, hanging plastic, hanging all clothes, just like a Christmas decoration. And we used to make a bamboo that makes a noise, and also like an empty jar hanging steel and iron materials. And we tie up a rope. As you pull the rope, it will make some noise so that the birds will get scared of it. So this is the system that the villagers used to practice. So this is very interesting, and this is my second time. My first experience was during lockdown. During lockdown I was in a village, so I got an opportunity to get experience that. And this is my second time. So I should say that this is a very interesting one, because all the villagers are here shouting here and there everywhere, chasing birds, protecting their crops so that they can harvest happily. So sometimes we feel funny, sometimes we feel enjoy, laughing. So obviously I know that I'm a lazy person, I hate walking, but this is a very interesting job. I love this job. And this is the shifting cultivation, which is also known as cultivation. And we have a terrace cultivation also, but that paddy is not that grown. And lastly, thank you very much, guys.
for watching our video till the end. So see you next time. Bye.